Hey guys, so you won't believe these locks were made with synthetic hair, right? They are soft, bouncy, and super easy to make. Let me show you how.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings.
Hey guys, so let's get right into the video. So I use this darling natural twist kinky to achieve this look. But before we go into the video, if this is your first time of coming across my videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn off the post notification to know anytime I post a new video. So guys, I decided to wash my hair and braid it one after another because I didn't have chance to like start parting and all of that, and this saved me a lot of stress. So now the first tip is to make sure you use the knotless braid method, because the knotless braid method is going to make the hair more free. It is not going to be stiff from the roots, okay? And then the next one is to braid loosely, right? This is braid, not twist. You braid, you don't twist. I'm going to show you guys how you braid loosely. When you braid your kinky loosely, it is going to give you that locks look that you're looking for. And once you apply your leave-in conditioner and hair mousse, I promise you this hair will start bouncing. So make sure you watch step by step closely on how I achieve this beautiful hair, because this kind of hair can last you 3 to 4 months. And mind you, once it's kinky, the more it is looking older, the more beautiful it becomes. So I'm still going to come back and show you guys this hair in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Make sure you watch this video to the end and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Will you be trying this hairstyle or not? Let me know in the comments.
Fave hairstylist, DIY queen, content machine. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as Annie Cocolade. Make sure to connect with me on all these social media platforms and enjoy my creativity, from hair tutorials to comedy videos, to keep you happy and entertained. Let's glow together. From the curls to the cuts, she's got that flair. Laying lace, stitching love with so much care. Wig slayer, DIY, hands so blessed. Annie Cocolade, she's simply the best. Step, twist, glowing groove. Watch her hands, watch her move. Every style, a work of art. She slays it all right from the start. Annie Cocolade, the magic touch. Slaying wigs and styles you love so much. Ventilating dreams, DIY delight. Creating beauty day and night. Oh yeah, she's got the golden hands. Let's create, let's shine, let's stand. From the thread to the glam, she owns her lane. Creative soul, never plain. Bundles, braids, all made with heart. Annie Cocolade is setting the charts. Annie Cocolade, the magic touch. Slaying wigs and styles you love so much. Ventilating dreams, DIY delight. Creating beauty day and night. Yeah, she's
guys, this is how I unstiff my comb. You can see the hair is beautiful, but it's still looking stiff. It's still looking stiff, so let's do something about that. So here I have my leave-in conditioner. I use this for my hair, but this is the only option I have. So if you have any other leave-in conditioner, you can still use, and then water and my mousse. So let's add our leave-in.
She's simply the best. Snip, twist, glow and groove. Watch her hands, watch her move. Every style, a work of art. She slays it all right from the start. Any cocolet, the magic touch. Slaying wigs and styles you love so much. Ventilating dreams, DIY delight. Creating beauty day and night. Oh yeah, she's got the golden hands. Let's create, let's shine, let's stand. From the thread to the glam, she owns her lane. Creative soul, never plain. Bundles, braids, all made with heart. Any cocolet is setting the charts. Any cocolet, the magic touch. Slaying wigs and styles you love so much. Ventilating dreams, DIY delight. Creating beauty day and night. Yeah, she's your girl with the golden hands. Let's create, let's shine, let's stay.
I wanted that dreadlocks look without, because I don't like dreadlocks. Not like I don't like dreadlocks, but I mean I like seeing my hair, right? If I put my hair on locks, I'm not going to, it's not even going to last 2 years, and then I want to take it off. So I like that looks, you know, that dread looks. That is what I went for. That is what I got. So please let me know what you think in the comment section, because this hair, guys, this hair don't make me stick for nail. Let me show you guys the back. This hair is not a joke.
To keep you happy and entertained. Let's glow together.
Tell me why you're crying, now can you be? Yeah.